Welcome to an overview of the InstantAtlas Templates. InstantAtlas Templates come in 6 main variants, and you see a screenshot of each here on the screen. The single map template is the most commonly used one. It has a single map, a data table, a bar chart, a time series chart, and a pie chart. It is ideal if you have time series data that you want to show, or if you want to compare different geography features with each other. The double map template has 2 maps, but you need to have the same geography in it. However, you can choose different indicators for each map. This template doesn't come with a bar chart, time series chart, or pie chart. However, it has a scatterplot on this side of the report, which allows you to explore the correlation between the 2 indicators that are selected for each map. The double map time series template also has 2 maps, but you can show different geographies in each of the maps. In this example here, you see that the first map has polygon data in it, and the second map has point data in it. You have for each map a bar chart, a time series chart, and a pie chart, also a data table that is hidden behind a button in this example. It's basically like 2 single maps in one report and allows you to have a side-by-side comparison. The area profile report includes indicator values for one area in a profile. Now there are different configurations possible for this template, and I want to show you which that are. The first one is a spine chart. Here you have horizontal bars that show the difference to, for example, a national value or an average. The performance results configuration is slightly different. Here you also have horizontal bars. However, they are superimposed over shaded ranges, which indicate the performance of that geographic feature. The radar chart configuration shows you either all indicators of all themes or just the indicators of the currently selected theme. It works for all indicators on the same scale, and these indicators are represented by these lines here in the chart. And as higher the indicator value, as further away from the center of the chart will the dot be plotted. The fourth option is a customized one, and it's called Community Health Profile. It was specifically designed for the Association of Public Health Observatory in the UK, and is very similar to the performance results configuration. But it is tailored to match the requirements of the clients, and these are, for example, that there are different columns in the table. You also have 3 gray shaded areas, which are representing the national quartiles, and the national values is always center-aligned in the middle of the chart. Now going back to our main page, there's also an election results template, which shows you a map with the results of an election based on the winning party. It has a table with the results by area, a table with overall results, and a horizontal bar chart showing area-by-area details and a breakdown of results for each candidate in that area. It is designed for multiple candidates representing different parties, and it can support either one or more winning candidate per area. The bubble plot template is the last one I want to introduce to you, and that is a very flexible template. The bubble chart can plot up to 4 variables simultaneously, which are the X value, the Y value, the size of the bubbles, and the color of the bubbles. It comes in different configurations that are displayed on this screen. The bubble plot advanced template gives the end user a lot of flexibility because all the 4 variables are 4 indicators that the end user can choose as he wishes. In the bubble plot simple configuration, the end user is more restricted because he can only choose one of the variables and the other 3 are predefined by the administrator. That gives you the option to include a time slider underneath the chart so that you can animate through your time series data. The scatterplot configuration has only 3 variables. You see that the size variable is not included, which causes the bubbles to be displayed as points. It is like in the double map there to show you how 2 indicators correlate with each other, and the end user can change the indicators for X, Y, and the color of the points. The final plot configuration is similar to the scatterplot, but the scatterplot is here superimposed with confidence limits. You can see how an area differs from an average or target, and it basically shows you which observations are significantly different from that average or target. Now, these are the templates that you can use in InstantAtlas. If you want to know how you can create one of these reports, please refer to the How To with InstantAtlas Publisher video.